Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a code snippet which actually open the GHL chat widget by a button click. Okay, so last 2 days ago we have got a request in our community from one of our client who actually needed to open the chat widget by clicking on a button because he is building this help section for his website. Okay, so he wanted to click this button, go here, and then it will open the chat widget, but by default the chat widget will be hidden into the page. Okay, so let me show you a live example. Okay, so we have already built the code snippet and already tested it, and it's working just fine. That's why we are I am sharing now with you. Okay, so here is the page I have made. Okay, for example, purpose, and you see here on the help section we have three options: FAQs, live chat, and book a call. Okay, so under each of this section we have a call to action button which is go there. Okay, like this. So now if we click here, go there, then you see here the chat widget opened. Okay, so this is how it will actually work by default. Let me reload the page again so that you can see it in action. Okay, so once I click here, you see by default there are no chat widget into the page, but once I click here, it opened the chat widget, you see, like this. So I'm going to show you how we can implement this code snippet into GoHighLevel. Okay, so first of all you need to just go back to your GoHighLevel and grab the chat widget. Okay, so from here, chat widget, click on it, and then you will find a code, a copy of option here. You see, get code. Okay, so and now we have two options. Okay, we have the option to embed the code or via the GTM, okay, which is Google Tag Manager. So in this case I'm going to use this one, so I will copy the code by clicking this icon here, and then to edit this I am using a online text code editor. Okay, so let me paste the code here, and for the code snippet we don't need this part which is the JavaScript. Actually we don't need this. All we just need to copy the chat widget from here. Okay, you see the text chat widget, the HTML tag, so we need to copy this and then we'll go back to our funnels. Okay, so let me open this page into the editor. It will work with both the classic editor, okay, the previous editor, as well as the new page builder of GoHighLevel. Okay, so in this example I'm going to use the classic builder. Okay, so at the bottom of the live chat, okay, I added a HTML JavaScript code element, which is this one actually, and then I need to just open this. And one more thing, you will get this code snippet into the GSL code snippet library. Okay, this code snippet is for our premium members only. So if you are already premium member, then you will get this code right into your dashboard, or if you are not a GSL code snippet premium member, then you need to subscribe or upgrade your account. Okay, so let me show you. I'm just opening this. Okay, so I just added the code. So into this code we need to implement the chat widget, and we also need to add the button where we actually want to apply the click option. So in this case I have added the button CSS selector. Let me show you how you will get it. Okay, so here is the button, and once we select the button, then you will see an option like the advanced tab. You will see the option CSS selector. Okay, all you just need to copy this and then go back to your code, okay, editor, and then replace this little css id. Okay, so this is actually the button css id, and after that you need to replace your code, your chat widget code. Okay, so in this case I just copied the chat widget code from here. Okay, I just did, and then I need to paste it here. Okay, that's it. Okay, so all you just need to do two things. Okay, just copy your GoHighLevel chat widget code, and you can use any editor, but we're using online editor. I will share the link. Okay, you will get the link of this editor also into the members area, and then I just copied this and then I just pasted it here. And also we need to make sure that we added the correct CSS ID for our button. Okay, so in this case, after select the button, go to advanced tab, you will find this CSS selector. Okay, and then once you complete this two step, okay, step one, you replace your CSS ID for the button, and then step two is replace your GHL chat widget. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so I already did both of them, and now if I save it and then preview, let me preview it. Okay, so saved, and if I preview this, then we should have a page. Okay, here, and then you see here we don't have the chat widget by default opened, and now if we click go there, then it's open the chat widget. Here is it. So now this way you can actually implement this code snippet on your GoHighLevel. So if you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share with your friends, or if you need any help, or if you're having a question, just feel free to write a comment. And also you can join our community. Okay, so the community is completely free. You can join our Ghlsaaskits community, where you can also get the free access of our code snippet library. Okay, the basic version of the GHL code snippet, but the pro version is for $67 yearly or $27 monthly. Okay, so let me go to the discussion. Okay, and now as I said that if you join here, then you will get all the update and everything. Okay, we are doing here for GHL Saaskits community. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.